The key to a good rib is to choose your favorite spice rub. Never forget to put it on both sides. We're gonna put those baby back ribs in the oven. The juices are gonna render, and to add some flavor to the broth, I'm gonna add some cinnamon, some apples, and some onions. Again, to add some flavor, we're gonna put some apple juice and a touch of apple cider vinegar. Put some foil and bring those baby back ribs to the oven. Cook the ribs in a 325 Fahrenheit oven for about 2 hours and a half. And this is what they look like after cooking. Bring the cooking juices to a boil in a pan. Add about a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Boil until you're left with about a third of the initial liquid. Put that delicious sauce on the side because now it's time to baste your ribs. Raise your oven temperature to 425, baste your ribs, put them in the oven for about 10 minutes, take them out, baste them again, and then finish them with a piece of lemon. And here you go, you have the perfect oven barbecue ribs.